Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BigTime token. Now the BigTime token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the BigTime token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says here, MEXC Global will list the BigTime token in the assessment zone and open trading for the pair. And so this token is being listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BigTime, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says here, BigTime is a multiplayer action role-playing game for PC that melds a fast combat system with an open game economy where players have an active role in generating and exchanging game items. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. Max total supply is 5 billion BigTime tokens, 18 decimal places on this token, so it's an ERC20 token. You can find all of their information at wiki.bigtime.gg. That's where all the info is going to be. It says, welcome to BigTime. Welcome, adventurer. You'll find some useful information about BigTime, the free multiplayer or free-to-play multiplayer action role-playing game that combines fast action combat and adventure, whether you're a seasoned player or a new adventurer. If you check out the wiki, it's a perfect place to start learning about the game's mechanics and ecosystem. So what is BigTime? Free-to-play multiplayer action role-playing game. Combines fast action, combat, and adventure through time and space. Explore ancient mysteries and futuristic civilizations as you battle your way through history. Pick up rare collectibles, loot, cosmetics, and tokens as you fight and defeat enemies. Collect and trade your collectibles to decorate your avatar and personal metaverse where you can hang out with your friends, expand your personal metaverse and production capabilities with space, and join our in-game creator economy. Play for free, collect in-game items and tokens, produce collectibles, or hang out with your friends. Limitless environments and adventure instances give you infinite possibilities. The gameplay options are endless. So what else can I find on this wiki? If you're looking for economy, useful links, new player quick start guide, community-driven wikis, all sorts of things are on here. Real easy to find. Let's skip down to their roadmap, though. We'll see what's going on with this token in the future. So it starts out, it says 4 character classes are available. The Chronomancer, Shadow Blade, Time Warrior, Quantum Fixer. So there's starting with useful pocket watches to change your timeline. Customize your skill tree to create a character build that matches your playstyle. Master action-based combat with per-weapon finishers. Party with up to 6 people. Explore a continent and seek out time tiers portals to adventure within. Procedural generated dungeons give you infinite replayability. Help the Combot solve their cryptographs. Hundreds of unique cosmetic NFTs. So there's going to be weapon NFT cosmetics, armor NFT cosmetics, title NFT cosmetics. Also in-space NFT drops, weapon gem slotting, public quests of up to 30 players, personal metaverse, and decorative NFTs to personalize your space. And so what's coming soon, it says new NFT types, space upgrade features, time wardens, forges, armories, ability to hunt for tokens, and story missions. So Epoch City, ability to unlock story missions and travel to different time collisions. So there's different items and equipment of rarities, pocket watches, gears, weapons, armors, bags, consumables. So it's a work in progress, it says, and they're going to be coming out with more stuff as time goes on, obviously, just like the roadmap said. So there's different item rarities, different colors, different icons, rarities from highest to lowest of all the items I just mentioned. So the story, it says, set in the distant future, at the very end of time, all stars in the universe are blinking out of existence as massive black holes slowly swallow them up. So BigTime is the street slang for Paradox Corporate, the company that owns time, kind of like how they call like the government the man. So Paradox Corporate is BigTime. So Paradox sells time collisions, which act as lifeboats for the survivors looking to escape the depressing existence at the end of the universe. Time collisions allow survivors to live in the past, where they can come and go as quickly as walking through a doorway. Something has gone wrong with the alien technology that powers the time collisions. All of the time collisions have started to crash into each other, accelerating the end of the universe. As the walls of time and space collapse, the greatest minds from history have been summoned to Evermore Academy at time's end to teach a new generation of heroes how to solve the crisis. Join teachers like Albert Einstein and Merlin as they learn tools to battle against the Paradox Corporate and save the universe. So that's what this game's all about. Now, if you want to learn like more, you can even go through the walkthrough, the controls, guilds, all the collectibles, frequently asked questions, so much information. Just go to wiki.bigtime.gg. This is an Ethereum token, just got listed here on MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.